Hello guys, welcome to 11 plus prep with Shreya. So let's see, today's problem is to find 10% of something. So to find 10% of anything, we need to divide it by 10. This is the main notes for today. We are going to use this a lot of times. So let's see the first question. So 10% of 80 is, we need to divide 80 divided by 10. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. So 10% of 80 is 8. So let's see how we find 40% using this concept. So to find 40% of 50, first let's find 10% of 50. We all know 10% is, we divide 50 by 10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. Now I know 10%, but I need to find 40%. Can I go from 40 to 10? Yes. How do I go from 10 to 40? I times it by 4. So whatever you're doing to the left side, do the same thing to the right side. So times it by 4, both the sides, you get 5 4s are 20. So 40% is 20. Now let's see the third one. So the third question is to find 70% of 300. So the same step, find the 10% of 300. So my 10% of 300 is 300 divided by 10, which is 30. So how do I go from 10 to 70? From 10 to 70, I times it by 7. Do the same thing here. 30 times 7 should be 20. 3 times 7 is 21 and I have a 0 there, so 0. So 70% of 300 is 210.